This video will show you how to create a USB install disk for Linux from a Windows machine. This case is Windows 10. Windows 11 works exactly the same. So first we need a Linux install ISO. So we'll find Ubuntu Mate, and we'll download that. We'll get the 64-bit PC, the current long-term support, do a direct download. And while that is downloading, we need another tool called Rufus, which will actually create the USB. I like the portable version. So we'll start that. We don't need to do that now. So here's our Rufus application. And we've already got a USB, 8 gigabyte USB plugged in. We want to do an ISO, so we'll select the one we just downloaded. Then we've got a name, everything's correct. We'll hit start. Choose the default. It's going to erase everything. It's already blank, so not now. This will take a little bit. If it goes on too long, I will speed up the video. Okay, it just finished up. It's really that easy. So we close that and we can go to the File Explorer, go to F. We can go to Drive F and see we've created a boot disk. So now all you have to do is eject it and put it in your new computer. Set the new computer to boot from USB. Boot the new computer and it should start an install script, which you just follow and install.